If you want to know how to duet with sound on TikTok, then this video is for you. Hello, I'm Sophie, Millionaire Mum, and I'll bring you the tools, the courses, and the mindset that you need to make a success online. If you're not already subscribed to my channel, please make sure you do so and hit that notification bell. That way you don't miss a single video. I'm always publishing content every week, and I publish videos that are going to help you make a success online. Now, in this video, I am going to do a quick tutorial about how to duet on TikTok, and in particular about how to add sound when you're duetting and how to change and control the volume of both the video that you are duetting with and of the added sound, like of your voice, right? I hope this is clear. It will be clear in the tutorial. Now, I'm making this video in answer to a question that one of my subscribers asked me. Thank you so much for asking this question. She was saying, well, when I duet with somebody, I can't then adjust the volume. One of the buttons is grayed, right? There isn't the possibility of adjusting the volume of the added sound. So what I found out is actually you need to do something to make sure that when you are duetting with someone, with another video, that it's recording the sound of your voice, that it's also recording you really while you are duetting, okay? Then you can adjust the volume of both. You can say something, you can do all sorts of things. So I'm going to show you exactly how it's done. Let's go. So first, obviously, you need to go to your TikTok app. Then you need to choose, obviously, a video that you want to duet with. I've chosen a video just to show you of my daughter singing. So, to duet, you tap here on share and you select this, duet. If you don't have this option, it means the person didn't want you to duet, right? So it's going to upload. And there you go. You now have the option to duet. So if I now tap the red button and start duetting like that, all you'll be able to hear is the sound of my daughter singing, right? Or the sound of the other person talking, the sound of the video that you are duetting with. However, if you tap here on this mic here, there you go. That is going to record my voice. So you just record now. This is my daughter. Then once you finished recording, you obviously stop recording, and then you can tap the little tick. And so now the great thing is you can actually adjust the volume of both videos. If you tap here, the original sound is the sound of your voice that you recorded while you duetting. So you can put it lower or higher. And the added sound, strangely, is actually the sound of the video that you are duetting with. So as I say, you can put it much louder, or you can even turn it right off if you want. And then people will only be able to hear you talk, okay? So that, and when you're happy with that, you just do that. And then you go next and you upload it just like any normal video. So that was easy, wasn't it? I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, please give it a like and make sure you subscribe to my channel. Now, before you go, I just wanted to say that duetting with good videos, with videos that have a lot of views, is an absolutely great way to grow your own TikTok account. So really don't hesitate. It's nice when people duet with your videos, right? Means they've liked them. And so don't hesitate to use that, right? If you want to find out how you can make money with TikTok, you might want to watch my video that should be just there. And if you have any other questions about TikTok, anything about, anything you don't know how to do on TikTok, please post your question in a comment below. I'll research it, and if I find the answer, I will make a video for you with great pleasure. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in another video. Bye for now.